Yesterday, I heard about a new YouTube Shorts niche that got millions of views in a short period. Also, competition in this niche is low because it is a new niche, so you should start with it now. I will tell you what the niche is and explain to you how to do it step by step. I will also create it with you starting from the idea, through creating the videos and up to publishing them on the channel. Just keep watching to understand everything. This method is considered one of the best ways to make money online, and you can work in it from anywhere in the world. Fortunately, YouTube has recently become very supportive of new channels due to the development artificial intelligence used in the video suggestions algorithm. Look, this channel only published 55 videos and now it has 477,000 subscribers and got 65 million views. According to the Social Blade website, this channel can earn up to $90,000 a month. That's almost $1 million a year. Crazy amount, right? Even it was created less than half a year ago, and the number of its videos is not considered very large compared to other channels. However, it has achieved great success on YouTube. Let's now divide the method into 3 steps. Step 1. Watch this video until the end to understand the method step by step. Step 2. Make short videos in this niche. Step 3. Publish them on your channel. Well, let's get started without wasting time. In order to do this method, we will need 4 websites. Firstly, go to Chatgpt. The niche we are talking about is called dark psychology. So now we will ask it to write 10 long tips about dark psychology. OpenAI has recently made Chatgpt available in more countries, so I think accessing it is no longer a problem. Well, it wrote to us. Now copy one of them and go to the Fliki website. This website provides a lot of great features for content creators. It also has a free plan, but the free plan has few features, so it is better to subscribe to this plan, which costs $28 per month. After registering an account on the website, this interface will appear to you. Here all you have to do is click on New File, then name the name whatever you like, then click on Submit. Close this window, then click on this icon to add a new section. Now paste the tip here. And go to the settings, and make the gap like this. Then adjust the text settings from here. It is better to make it larger in size. Now choose a wonderful voice from here. They have many voices. For example, we will choose this voice. Okay, now we will create an image from here. Click Generate, and choose a style for the images. Choose this style. And write here a dark man, and click on Generate Art. It's amazing. If you want, you can regenerate, or if you like it, click on Use this art. You can also divide the tip into 2 parts in order to increase the images displayed in the video. Just take half of the tip and click here. Then put it here. Then repeat the same steps for creating the image. After that, we will choose music from here. They have a lot of free music here. Choose the one you like. For example, we will choose this one. Lower the volume a little. As you can see, the video will become like this.
Being aware of the existence of dark psychology is the first step in safeguarding yourself against manipulation. Recognizing when...
Well, just download it from here, click Start Export, and wait for the download. Whoever has reached this part of the video, I would like to tell you that you are really serious and have the determination to succeed, and you have taken actual first steps towards your goal. Just click on Download File. Okay, now repeat the process until you create the number you want. You can also tell Chatgpt to give you an attractive title, description, and tags for your video. Just take the tip it wrote for you and tell it to write an attractive title, description, and tags for this tip so you can use them in a YouTube short, then put the tip after the sentence and press enter. Well, after we made some videos, we should upload them to the channel. Firstly, we have to create a new channel and we have to choose an attractive name for the channel. We will use Chatgpt to give us some ideas. We will tell it to give us attractive names for a channel that talks about dark psychology. For example, we will choose this name. After that, just go to YouTube website, then click on Sign In, and create new account from here. Choose for personal use. Then put the name here and click Next. After that, choose your date of birth and gender, and it is necessary to choose the real data. Click Get a Gmail address instead and choose what you like. Then type a new password. You can also add another email to recover the account, or you can skip this step if you want. Then put your mobile number here, or you can set it up later. Then next, I agree. After that, click on your new channel, then click Create Channel. Well, the channel has been created successfully. After that, we will create a logo and banner for the channel. Just tell Chatgpt to give you a description of an image that describes dark psychology. Then take the image description and go to the Canva website. Here, go to Create a Design, type logo, and click on it. Then go to Elements and click Generate Your Own. Put the description in this box and click Generate Image. This feature is available in the free plan, but it only provides 50 generation operations, but it will certainly be enough to create a logo. Well, as you can see, it has created 4 professional images for us. Choose the image you like and drag it here. You can click generate again if you want more images. Make the image full background size and then download it from here. After that, go to the home page. For the banner, we will go to create a design, then to choose YouTube banner. Here we will not create an image from zero, but rather we will choose a ready-made template and modify it from here. As you can see, there are many templates prepared for the YouTube banner. Just choose what you like and modify it as you wish. You can also create from scratch if you want, then just download it from here. After that, go to YouTube, then go to your channel's YouTube studio from here. And go to customization, then branding. Then click upload here at the main image, choose your image, and then done. Now click upload at the banner here and choose the banner image. You can also choose an image that appears inside the video so that your channel appears more professional. Now choose when you want the image to be displayed. For example, we will choose entire video, then just click publish. As you can see, this is how the channel looks like. You can also add a description and tags for the channel from YouTube Studio if you want. You can use Chatgpt for that. It is an easy step and does not require explanation. Tell it to write them and put them on your channel. But you should focus more on creating the content and not the channel name and logo. They may be important, but the most important thing to focus on is the videos themselves. Well, now we will upload our first short video. Just click on create, then upload video. Click select file, choose the video you want. Put its title and description. Select this option because it is not made for kids. Then click show me more and put tags here. Then next, next, also next. Make it public, then click publish. Well, we are done. Only a few minutes have passed since the video was published and it has got 12 views. Now only one day has passed and it has approached 2,000 views. As I told you, this niche is new and there is little competition, so you should start now. So the whole process in short is: 1. Create short videos and a new channel as I told you. 2. Publish them on your channel. 3. Monitor the results constantly to see how things are going. You can find all the links in the description. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so that you will receive more profitable videos. And if you like the video, put a like and share it with your friends so that everyone can benefit. I would like to thank all of you one by one for your wonderful previous support for the channel. You are wonderful. We publish a new video approximately every 10 days, so stay tuned and do not miss the profitable videos. Also, if you do not understand this method, just watch the video again and replay it until you fully understand the method. And if you still have any question about this method, just write it in the comments. We are constantly reading comments. Also, tell us in the comments what you want us to talk about in the next videos. Do you want us to publish more about YouTube automation? I wish you good luck, guys.